In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace headlight bulbs on a Chevrolet Equinox that are located under the hood and in the headlight. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead and open our hood and locate our headlight assembly. Behind it, we'll locate our airbox, where you're going to be doing the passenger side headlight bulb. On each corner of the airbox are 4 Phillips head screws. So just loosen these, don't remove them because they'll stay in the airbox. Now we can move on to the accordion tube and its worm clamp. I'll be using a flat blade screwdriver to loosen it. Now we can remove the accordion tube, just pull it away, and set the airbox aside. Now on the back side of the headlight assembly there is a cover. Just twist it and remove it. Set it aside. Now we have access to our headlight bulb. Again, I'm going to twist counterclockwise, undo it from the clips, and pull it out. On the harness, you'll find a tab. We are going to pull that out, or removing the headlight bulb. Inspect for any corrosion and damage, and there it is. Now install our bulb. Gonna slide it in the connector and fully push down. Make sure the clip is fully seated. Now we're going to take it inside the headlight assembly. The connector is going to be facing up. Make sure harness is inside the headlight assembly. And line up the tabs. As you can see, our tabs are lined up. Now I'm going to turn clockwise. And make sure the headlight bulb is fully secure in the assembly. Now to reinstall the cover, again, I'm going to insert it and turn clockwise. Now to reinstall our airbox. Take it over, slide it over the accordion tube. There's a tab that marks the alignment. Just make sure it's fully flush. I'm going to tighten the clamp on the accordion tube. Now I'll do the same with the 4 Phillips head screws on each corner of the airbox. Make sure it's properly aligned and just tighten them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.